is in an instinct. A mind sharpened with attuned senses. Awakened by what we're known for. But legacies are meant to be left behind. Why play to your limits when you can break them? Hear only victory. Forget what you know. Unleash what's next.
The Pro X design starts with some great foundational technologies. It's incredibly comfortable, it sounds great thanks to the Pro G drivers, and Blue Voice microphone technology allows you to dial in the exact tone of your voice for your particular audio scenario.
Esports pros really love the Pro X headset. Their only real complaint about it was that it wasn't wireless.
And through working with them on the other wireless gear in the Pro line, we knew that Lightspeed Wireless was a truly professional-grade wireless solution. All the same great features as the Pro X, but without the wires and without the compromises.
I remember using the Pro for the first time and being like, okay, it's balanced. Finally, things sound the way they should.
These headsets are just incredible in terms of wearing for a long time, 10 hours straight.
They basically fit me perfectly, so I can just keep on gaming.
If you already have used Pro X headset and you're just looking for a wireless version, this is it.
Wireless gaming headsets exist because traditional headsets couldn't live up to the demands of players.
If you've ever tried to play a game using a Bluetooth headset, you'll notice that there's a significant amount of latency from when an action happens on screen to when you actually hear it. So that's why we invented Lightspeed, because it's critical that everything that you hear matches up with what you see on screen. And in games where reaction times are measured in milliseconds, it's critical that sounds aren't delayed. One of the hallmarks of great gaming audio is being able to play multiple sounds over the top of each other without distortion.
All these sounds can compete for frequency response in the driver. Some gaming headsets tend to blow out low frequencies to make them more exciting and more interesting or more gamery. But thanks to the Pro G driver, we get very accurate information, it sounds great, and we're able to distinguish the different sounds from the game much more clear.
If I'm in the middle of a build battle in Fortnite and somebody pops some sort of medical equipment, being able to hear that audio, being able to hear that cue is vital. I need to react. Maybe I could aggress or I could heal myself if I got hit, but those audio cues are super important in decision making in general.
Communication is incredibly important for pro gamers.
I play a multiplayer game, which means I have 4 teammates that I'm constantly communicating with. I need to understand what they're saying super clearly, because I need to react on everything and I need to respond to them as well.
That's also why the Pro X Wireless supports Blue Voice technology through G Hub.
Blue Voice is a software suite with a set of filters and tools that allow you to adjust your voice so that you can be heard as clearly as possible by your teammates. It's got a ton of capability, and there's a lot of stuff you can do with it if you really want to, but if you don't want to, that's fine. You can use one of our presets and you're back to gaming in an instant.
One of the things that made the original Pro X so popular was just how comfortable it is. It's made with premium materials and it feels really great to wear for long playing sessions.
And it seems like a small thing, but with the wire removed, now you don't have to worry about all the things that the wire was getting in the way of. Just how freeing having a wireless headset is. It totally changes the way you play games.
The Pro X Wireless has all the same great features of the original, but with the performance and freedom of Lightspeed Wireless technology.
Now for the how-tos. To connect your Nova 7P to the PS5, you'll need to connect your dongle to the USB-A adapter cable, and then plug the other end of the same adapter cable into a USB-A port on your PlayStation. To make sure you have the best sound possible, you need to head into your PlayStation, go to PS5 settings, audio output, and change to all audio. Then go to PS5 settings, audio output, volume, and change to set to max. Once connected, you can turn the headset on by pressing and holding the power button for 1 second. If you want to know if the headset is powered on, you can see the dongle LED increase brightness. The Nova 7 has Bluetooth capability, and it can be used independently from the 2.4 GHz connection. If you haven't connected a device already, the headset will already be in pairing mode and the LED will rapidly blink blue. After you're in pairing mode, go to your desired device. Select the Arctis Nova 7 in your device's BT settings, and you should be good to go. To charge your headset, connect the charging cable from the headset's USB-C charging jack to any USB-C power source. The color of the power indicator LED indicates the battery level. An additional feature of the Nova 7P is the ability to adjust your side tone level, the level of your voice you hear through the headset, by turning the side tone dial on the side of your headset, because we all get loud when games are getting intense.